Hi guys, welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I will show you how to enable sensitive content on Telegram. To start the process, open your Telegram application in your mobile device. Then tap on Menu on your top left. Here tap on Settings. Then tap on Privacy and Security. As you can see, your desired option is not available. Then go back and search Nicegram. After that, tap on Nicegram. Here tap on my.nicegram.app. Now turn the toggle on for I'm 18 plus years old. Again, turn the toggle on for show content that may be sensitive. After that, tap on Save. As you can see, your option to see sensitive content has been enabled. Thanks for watching, and please leave a like, subscribe, and share.